voiceover with cinematic garage and slow-motion shots of the car. Meet the future of hypercars, a Bugatti-inspired masterpiece that pushes boundaries in design, performance, and pure automotive emotion. This isn't just a car. It's a rolling piece of art and engineering brilliance, blending cutting-edge tech with an unmistakable presence. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into what makes this machine truly. Exterior design. Camera pans across front, side, back, doors opening dramatically. Right from the front, you're greeted by a fierce, low-slung profile and ultra-slim LED headlights that give it an aggressive stare. The massive grille and sleek aerodynamics scream performance. From the side, the sculpted body lines flow with purpose. Every curve, every vent has a job, channeling air, reducing drag, or cooling vital components. And check this out, butterfly doors that lift like wings, giving it a futuristic supercar vibe. Move to the back, and you'll find what is arguably its boldest angle. A full-width LED taillight strip, active rear wing, and a diffuser that looks like it came off a race car. Pure muscle in motion, even when it's parked. Engine and performance. Engine bay open, close-ups on rear wheels and exhaust. Now let's talk power. Under the rear deck lies a powerhouse, likely a quad-turbo W16 engine or an advanced hybrid electric powertrain, depending on the final spec. This beast is expected to churn out well over 1,500 horsepower, launching it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. All that power is kept in check by a state-of-the-art all-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension, and active aerodynamics that adjust in real time to keep you planted through corners. Massive carbon ceramic brakes hide behind those performance wheels, offering race-ready stopping power while remaining cool under pressure. Interior shots, dashboard lights up, steering wheel details, seats. Slide inside, and you're greeted with a cocoon of luxury and innovation. The cabin features premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents throughout. Front and center is a fully digital cockpit. Everything from speed to G-forces is displayed in stunning clarity. The steering wheel is more like a command module, with integrated controls, paddle shifters, and even drive mode selectors. Ambient lighting flows through the cabin, adjusting color based on your driving mood, calm blue for cruising, fiery red when it's time to unleash the beast. Showcase garage reflections, doors open, close-up motion shots. What really sets this hypercar apart isn't just the looks or speed, it's the experience. It's about emotion, presence, and control. From the moment the doors rise to the second the exhaust rips through the air, this car is designed to make a statement. Whether you're on the track or pulling into a luxury garage, you're not just arriving, you're dominating the moment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.